So in today's video, I'll be doing a voiceover of me installing this SHEIN wig. This wig is a 13x4, 28-inch, 200 density curly wig. All the information for it will be in my description box if you would like to purchase it. This is the wig after bleaching the knots, toning it, plucking, tinting the lace, all that jazz. I plan on doing another video of how I customize my wigs before putting them on, so stay tuned for that. Next, I'll be doing the ball cap method, but I start with putting one cap underneath it just to protect my hair, and we pull the second one all the way down and we start cutting around my eyes so I'm able to see, and also the ears so I can lay down flat, but be very careful at this step. To glue my cap down, I'll be using this glue here. Other products I use for the whole wig install will be in my description box below. I evenly put dots all across my hairline and use a large popsicle stick to evenly spread everything out. Once everything is dried down, I go in with Ruby Kisses cream foundation, specifically in shade 14, to make sure everything gives scalp and also matches my skin tone. Here I am cutting the cap, but I actually learned this new hack off of TikTok where you don't cut all of the cap off and you just pull it to the back instead. I think this is a very good idea, especially because it doesn't expose the hair in the back. So starting today, I will use this for all my future installs. Once everything was cut and finished, I put on the wig just to make sure the ball cap wasn't too far down or too far up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, and the ear tabs are already cut prior, so that will be in my wig customization video, so stay tuned for that. It will be coming soon. This here is definitely optional, but after that I go in with alcohol to cleanse the area. This will be my first time trying out both of these glues. All the products, like I said previously, will be in the description. I did 2 layers of the spray glue and then 1 layer of the bottle glue. So as you see here, I'm going in and adding extra lace glue on the sides of my head, mainly because 1 layer isn't enough for the side. I don't know why, but even after that, a little piece was still sticking up. So yeah, just make sure you add enough. Now I'm gonna blow dry it until it's clear, and once it's clear, we're gonna pull it down. The next clip after this is kind of choppy, but once I laid it down to the right way I wanted it, I used both ends of my rat tail comb and the blow dryer just to make sure everything was intact. So this is the style I was going for, basically just a deep side part, but then I noticed that this, like the lace doesn't go too far back, so I really couldn't do much. So I pulled the part up a bit, but it's still a side part no matter what, and I think it was still cute, so I would definitely do this style again. I don't really think a middle part looks cute on curly hair, at least not on me, or maybe it's just the way I did it. Hopefully I can try it out again and I succeed, but here I am going in section by section. Like I said, everything I use, such as products, will be in my description, so make sure you guys check it out. once the lace was cut, I go in with spritz and got-to-be glue spray, spray it on my finger for the most part, and then I just tap it into the lace just to make sure it doesn't look like it was just cut. After I use both products, I go in with the band, of course, for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I really don't know why I went in with this, but this oil is mainly to manage frizzy and dry hair. I also heard someone say that oil can help, keep the wet look, which is what I wanted. So yeah, I don't know why I used it, but I think it was a good idea to use it because, it can help, with the tangles and all of that jazz. So yeah. Just a bit. I think I put just enough, like a scoop, basically like a finger scoop in 3 sections. This gel obviously would define the curls, but not to the point where it gives a wet look. So I also went in and wet the hair myself. So this was after the band was took off. I was actually really excited. I just, you couldn't tell in this clip, but next I'm adding more Ruby Kisses foundation just to make sure, nothing looks white because the got-to-be glue or the spritz. But yeah, now I'm getting into the edges. This was actually the best part. I really like doing edges. It just was, it was just so fun. But I'm gonna stop talking now because I feel like this is self-explanatory, especially because you guys can see it. Like I said, all the products I'll be using will be in the description, and I also recommend using a mini straightener, whatever that is called. It's mini and it's cute and it's what you need for edges. So you're gonna see it coming up. now that my edges are done, I'm gonna go in with this skinny angled precise brush and an e.l.f. concealer. I don't remember what shade it is, but it's just the shade that I usually use to do bright under eye. I just do this to clean up my part, and it's not in this video, but after that I also use the end of my rat tail comb and a can of black spray, also bought from the hair store, just to clean up my part, and it just looked real sleek after. You guys will see the end results. It looks literally like chef's kiss. Perfect, get you that combo, like, it looks good. Okay, hopefully you guys don't think I'm crazy for this next clip, but I'm gonna use an iron to make sure the hair is flattened. I know I use a hot comb, but it's just perfect. It's perfect. I think I put it on synthetic setting, even though this is human hair. I put it on synthetics, make sure it's not too hot. So now I'm gonna get into defining the curls. I'm gonna use Miss Jessie's curling custard. I really love this stuff. I use it even for my natural hair. So I recommend this if you have a kinky curly wig or a curly wig and you would love to define the curls. So here's the end result of this hair. I really love it. I would definitely install this again. If you made it thus far, let me know how you guys like it. This is my first wig install. Let me know if you think I did a good job. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.